3D videos are films that give an illusion of depth, creating a three-dimensional perception for the viewer, typically requiring special glasses for an immersive experience. If you want to create a 3D video on your own, then this tutorial would do you a great favor. Let's write in with the link in the description. Once you launch the software, find the toolbox and go to the video page. You would find the 2D video to 3D. Click it and import your 2D video. It will analyze the images automatically. Usually, just stick to the default setting, which could already meet your need. Also, you can select the export format, then export. It's very easy, isn't it? Just wear your 3D glasses and enjoy your video. That's all for today's video. The official link has placed in the description. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and see you next.